Hi, my name is Priyanka Raut. I just delivered two twin girls at Curio Hospital. So, just would like to share my experience throughout this journey. Last 8 months, I would say, because I have undergone a preterm delivery. 8 months were memorable as well as scary, but it was a journey to remember for life. First of all, when the journey started, we were told that we are going to have twins, and all the challenges as well as the different experiences which we had were remarkable. But along with this, to make it remarkable, you require good doctors, good guidance, and that we could get over here from Sujata Rathod ma'am. She was the one who guided us, and she was very confident right from the beginning that even if it's a twin pregnancy, we can stretch it right till 36 weeks and we will make it no matter what. And that is what kept us pushing forward, and we made it till 35th week, and just beginning of 36th week and we had our delivery. So the main role which who plays in this entire journey is our doctor, the hospital or the staff whom you approach every now and then in case of emergency, the people who are approachable over here. And whenever I just called up in case of any emergency, maybe it's in evening, in late night or early morning, asking for any silly doubts, they would either call me back or I would get the appropriate answer to it. So all these things, they together sum up and they help you to be confident about motherhood that is coming up. So here in Curio, I've already had many of my friends who had delivered, and then when we finally decided to select Curio for our children, then we first inquired over here about the facilities. We knew Sujata ma'am from our relative, and when we actually approached her, her knowledge and her confidence and her you can say the sincerity towards her patients was really it was heartwarming. So we became confident throughout the journey because of her. And earlier few months we were not much confident or little scared at how it will work, whether I will be able to push it for longer months or no, because I had problems like bleeding in between, and I had to take a lot of injections in between. I was told bed rest, but still she was the one who said that yes, I'll assure you that you are going to deliver babies who are about 2 kgs, and yes, my one baby is 1.9 and the other one is 2.5. So it was like a challenge which she had accepted. Now here, when we got admitted, it was an emergency situation. So we had actually come for a scan and we were told no, it's high time and you have to get admitted today. And the quick response given by the staff, and since it's a COVID situation, the quick RT-PCR done, the results were out and we were admitted. All the precautions were taken. Sanitization is always done over here. So we were not worried about we getting infected over here. So we just entered in and everything was taken care of. And then yes, then it was the most challenging part when the children were out. So both my girls, they were taken care in the NICU, and then yes, the most difficult part, taking care of them. Being a new mother, you already have a lot of plans in your head that okay, I'll do this, I'll do that. I read a lot of books, I read a lot of apps, and I cannot recollect how many posts I've read and a lot of information. But when it comes to applying it in practical, I'll tell you it's a way different, and you really require people over there who have a lot of patience and teach you how to apply this knowledge. So that was done by the staff over here, because there were times when I cried, there were times when I lost my cool, I also screamed at them, there were times when I was frustrated at them because maybe they were not able to respond because there was high demand in those 2 days. A lot of emergency cases had approached, but still they made a point that they understood the situation. They were very polite, and yes, ups and downs they were there, because For me, it was a new phase, but they already have handled many of them. So they had their own ways of approaching us and trying to calm us down, telling us that yes, this is a phase and we are with you. So the first 2 days were very difficult. I was thinking maybe they are judging me. Some people might think, okay, what kind of mother she is? She cannot handle her children. But no, it did not happen like that. In fact, there were nurses and staff who came and they tried their best to teach me, or you can say to guide me, how to breastfeed the child, how to calm the child, or what are the signs, how to understand what the child is trying to communicate with you. So all these things, because of the experienced staff, I could learn. And yes, in these 2 days, lot of transformation has happened in me. So I think this journey, the most memorable part would be the 3-4 days which I've spent here in Cure, because I have learned a lot over here which will be taken with me throughout, and it is really helping me to take care of my children. So yes, this memorable journey wouldn't have been complete without the supportive staff over here in Cure Hospital. And yes, the infrastructure over here, the facilities provided, like my mother was accompanying me, so all the facilities given to her, so we never had to bother about food or anything. And all the meals were given on time, cleanliness was taken care of. Anything you need, you just call and you get it at your room. So all these small things you never had to bother over here. You had to only bother about your child and yourself. So that was like a relief for us. And because of the COVID situation, no relatives were allowed, and that was like a strict protocol which they followed. And yes, that is what we were looking for, because there are many hospitals who do not follow this, and then it becomes a very risky situation. So I would tell you, if in future you are planning to begin your motherhood, Cure will be one of the best options for you. So I wish that you all get a chance to experience over here, and it's a very good environment, a positive environment over here. So thank you and have a nice life.